Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can update your Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I enter the program and I'm in an untitled project. The project doesn't matter, the contents don't matter. I'm not going to be using anything within it to actually update Davinci. But what you want to do is go to this menu at the very top and click on Davinci Resolve. And as you can see here from the drop down menu, you see a check for updates tab. What you're going to be doing is, of course, clicking this tab here. And as you can see, it detects any updates that you might need. As you can see, I have recently downloaded Davinci Resolve and the latest version is 18.6.6. So it says that my software is up to date. However, if I did not have this version, it would prompt me to update it. It will say that a new version has been detected, and it would give me the option to click update and download the update from the internet. Now, it should restart itself. So after it restarts, it should be a newer version of the actual product and the program. So after you click update and after it downloads, you're pretty much good to go. And that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.